Hi guys, Kim Cash here. I am doing some cross stitch, and I play tennis a lot, so I have these leftover tennis ball cans just sitting around that I have to recycle all the time, and I was wondering what could I do with these that might be more useful than just recycling them. And I have these different cross stitch projects that I'm just having in brown paper bags right now, so I thought if I decorate these I might be able to use those and just put I'll show you what I've got in here. I'm just thinking of making like a shelf and having these patterns all put together. And if I did a theme on the outside that went along with what the design of the cross stitch pattern was, then maybe I could find them easily. Because right now what I have to do is sort through the bags or write on the front of them, owl, cross stitch, or whatever. So, like this one, and I don't have a lot of different fabrics right now, but I do have some. And so right now I'm doing this. It's Kesslin's If the Hat Fits, and I've been working on this, which I started it early so I could get it done by Halloween. And my sister's doing the this is Halloween witch hats, and she's doing the shoes. And so we're going to switch off and do them. But anyway, I've got the pattern, the floss, my fabric, and my needle right here. And so what I'm doing is just rolling them up in here and sticking them in the can. So I was looking for a Halloween theme kind of fabric, and I have a black felt, leftover black felt. I saved leftover fabrics from other projects, but I really don't want just black felt. I wanted something prettier than that. So what I'm going to do is use this leftover. I think this is pretty. It's not really fall or Halloween, but I've got to get more fabrics to have exact themes to go along with my patterns. But so what I'm going to do is take this can and just put the fabric on it and roll it to where I need to cut it, and then I will just overlap it a teeny bit. I guess I should have had a pin, but I just cut it like right there, and then just go up and over. Anyway, what I'm going to do is just go like this, and I've got it pretty straight. And then I'm going to use some spray adhesive that I've got sitting right here. This is Craft Bond. I'll come closer. Spray adhesive. Let's see if you can see that. It's just an Elmer's. So I've got it right here, and I'm just going to spray a little bit. I've got the window open too, so it should be fine. We've got a beautiful day. It's March 3rd or March 4th. I have to look on my phone to know. So you can see it just easily sticks. And then I'm just going to roll it. And this will just make it look nicer on the shelf. It's not that it's going to be perfect or anything, but it's better than just having a bunch of tennis ball cans. And then I wouldn't know which one's which either. So I just pull this up over the spray adhesive. And then I'm going to get some ribbon and put it around the top just to make it look a little fancier. But you can see how easy that is. I mean, it's a super simple craft project. And I'm going to get some ribbon and I'll be right back. So I'm just putting the let me come closer. I'm putting the ribbon on the can, and I'm just putting some of this spray craft bond spray adhesive on this to hold it. So I'll show you. And it's pretty pretty strong adhesive. Let me see. I say that and then it doesn't stick. But it usually does. So there's that one. And then I have this another cross stitch pattern, which is I'm working on for Halloween. It's Spell of the Moon, and it has an owl on it. Let me see if I'll bring it close. If you watched any of my cross stitch things, you'll have seen this one. I love this one. And this owl right here, it's Spell of the Moon, because I like Halloween and decorating for Halloween, and I don't really have any decorations for Halloween right now. So I picked out this material, which is, it's a Christmas material, fabric, but it's got these owls. So I'll know that this is my owl cross stitch. And so I'm going to take my can, and I've just got some newspaper down, and then I'm just going to put this on here and try to roll it on there. Try not to get any wrinkles. And that's how easy it is. And then the ribbon I picked out was this red ribbon. And let me see. The lid came off. Let's see if I can get it back on. And then I'm just going to put the ribbon on. Just around the top. It just makes it look finished, I think. And there you have it. It's just, instead of having a project bag that might take a lot of time to make, these are super simple. And if you have any friends that play tennis, I can guarantee that they have some extra tennis balls cans sitting around the house. And they're kind of the perfect size for, let me put the lid back on this because it is sticky. They're kind of the perfect size to hold these cross stitch patterns, the fabric, and the flosses. And you know, they're not tall enough, but that way I can see them. They can all stand up on the shelf, and I can find them easily. So I've got my floss in here, my fabric, my pattern, and they just fit in, and I can stack them on the shelf really nicely. So there you have it. It's like a little 5-minute craft to organize your cross stitch, or if you have other kinds of projects that you can just slip down in these cans, I think it'll be perfect for that. So I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can even hit the notification bell so you know when I have another tutorial or craft project on my YouTube or blog. Anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye.